friends, this is Mayank, founder of Archidab, and in this tutorial we're gonna learn how to implement a UI table view in our iOS project. So guys, why do we use a UI table view? Let's say we want to represent the data in a list kind of view. So we generally use a table view which is scrollable itself. And let's move ahead and consider subscribing my channel if you haven't already. So let's get started. Open Xcode and create a new Xcode project. Now select single view application and click next. Write a product name. I will give it Tableview app and I will click on next and then create. So let's move right to our main.storyboard. So here we have a UI view controller in which we're gonna drag up a table view, and we will just set it in our UI view controller like this. And we will also add a table view cell inside our table view, which we will reuse to represent the data. And now we will add some constraints to it. So yeah, add these 4 constraints. Now we're gonna make an outlet of this table view in our view controller file. So let's make an outlet of this table view like this, and I will name it table view and I will hit enter. Now just go back to your view controller file and add UI TableView data source, UI TableView data source, here it is, and UI TableView Delegate, UI TableView Delegate, TableView. Yeah, here is it. So let's see what does UI TableView has to do with all this. So press command and just click on this, and here you will see that UI TableView Delegate has these available functions, like you can add the height for row or estimated height or any view for your section, header view or footer view, the number of rows, or you want to select a cell. So all these functions are enabled when you use this delegate. So let's go back to our project and let's make it self to the table view. Let's say tableview dot delegate will be equal to self, and same with the data source, tableview dot data source will be equal to self. Yeah, now we are good to implement our table view methods. So let's write table view, and here we have our options. First of all, number of rows in our section. So let's take an array for our data which we're going to represent on our table view. So let our array is, say, having a name like Mayank, then Bharat, then say Atul, then Rahul, then Harsh, and Kushal, like this. Now we have our array, so let's return the number of rows that we wanna load in our table view. So return array dot count. So here it will return 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows in our table view, and let's decide how many number of section will be there. So we will return only one section right in our table view here. So let's write return 1. And now about cell which we're gonna use in our table view. So table view cell for row at index path, so just search for that. Yeah, here it is. So let's make a cell. Let our cell is equals to TableView dot DQ reusable cell with some identifier, and you see that we haven't yet given any identifier to our cell. So go back to your main.storyboard and give this cell an identifier here. I will name it cell and hit enter. Now come back to your view controller file and just write the identifier we just given to our cell, and index path will be index path. So you can take it as a UI TableView cell, UI TableView cell. Yeah. Now just return this cell like this, and you can also add a text to these cells. Cell dot label text label dot text will be equal to our array index path dot row like this. So let's just build and run this app and see what happens. So guys, as you can see here, we have our final application, and we are having these 6 cells which we taken in an array. So that's how we implement the table view, which we generally use in most of the iOS apps. So let's just implement this and try it yourself and explore this out further on. And if you like this tutorial, please hit the like button down below and subscribe my channel for more such videos in future. You can also follow me on Twitter. My Twitter handle link is given in the description down below. So thanks for now. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Jai Hind.